Yo, Tim, you think you're a G. You're really just a rookie, though. Because when you take off that shirt, your body looks like cookie dough. Damn, it's messed up. Hey, everyone. You might recognize me from my YouTube channel or MTV's Wildin' Out or my show Send Foods on Thrillist. And I'm going to be decorating a cookie that looks like me. Let's see. Okay, if this was a week ago, I would have went with this cookie right here. But I got super burnt. I feel like I'm the darker cookie right here, right now. Also, I have really bad acne scars, so the lumpier texture of this cookie, I feel, is gonna be better to represent my face. I don't cook or bake. I feel like you gotta be more of an artist than a cook in this situation. And I actually, I was almost a cartoonist. I went to art school, did graphic design, and then I dropped out. And here I am. So let's see here. I'm gonna start with the eyes. Traditional cartoon Asian eyes, all right? If you recognize me from the show Basic to Bougie, we judge 3 different types of food. It might be 3 different kinds of cookies, and we have to figure out what's the cheapest cookie and what is the most expensive, or what's the most bougiest cookie. And sometimes we eat delicious things like cookies, and sometimes we eat gross things like bugs. And that was probably my least favorite thing we ate. I gotta just do my hair here. Today's a good hair day for me. I got a nice a nice little waft going right now. So I don't even know if that's the right word, but it's doing that though. It's wafting. See my crisp edge up. I have this theory about food, all right? I feel like if I eat the weirdest thing I can find, the weirdest animals, I become a more powerful human being, all right? Now, hold on a second, bear with me. So check it out. You know how some people feel like when you eat the animal, you get his life energy, you know what I'm saying? So if we're all just eating chicken and pig and beef, we're all getting the same type of life energy, right? If I'm eating other weird ass animals that not a lot of people eat, then I'm getting a special kind of life energy. When I eat those bugs, I'm getting an energy that not a lot of people get because not everybody's eating bugs. So therefore, inside of me, it's all types of crazy sparks and universe juices going on that make me live longer and jump higher. That's my personal theory. Got a little 3D hair going right there. Let's see, let me go for the nose. I made up this show called Send Foods where me and my boy David So, we go to different food festivals and we eat all the food and we get drunk and we just make jokes. Even though we really enjoy and appreciate everything food related, we're just having a good time. I'm definitely gaining some weight, but I'm trying to keep it tight for wifey. I have a big smile. I had braces for 2.5 years. Everyone's always like, yo, you got good genetics, man. You got really straight teeth. I'm like, nah, I had braces. If you didn't know, I also, I rap a little bit. I rap on occasion. I got some bars, as the kids say. I was on MTV's Wildin' Out for 6 years, 8 seasons, and that's a combination of improv comedy, and we do some rap battle stuff here and there, some rapping, some jokes, kind of everything I really just love to do. There's that part of the show on Wildin' Out called Wild Style where we roast each other. No one ever gets their feelings hurt. It's all in good fun. We understand what the show is. We understand it's all just a good time. If you're joking on somebody, you're making fun of somebody, it's all out of love. That means you love each other. I don't know if I want to do an actual eyeball or keep it. Oh no, that's scary. Let's not do that. I'm gonna draw an ear on here. My wife always says that my ears are really dirty, so I'm gonna throw a little bit of just the wax in there. Or that could be an earring. Let's say that's an earring, but really, we know that this is wax, okay? I'm gonna take this little bit of red sparkle. I get little pimples. Oh, you know what? I don't like that. Wait, we'll smudge that. Now it's I'm blushing. Okay, so those are my acne scars, or it's me blushing. All right, so this is my completed cookie face. I think this is an accurate representation. You got the big smile. You got the eyes that kind of disappear when I smile really big. We got the wax or earrings, the hair's looking on point. I think this is good. This is me. If I was to rap battle my cookie twin here, here's how it might go, all right? Yo, you ugly. Why don't you give this a try? You need a glass of milk, cause you looking mad dry. No matter what you do or say, I won't take that crap. Cause if you step to me wrong, I'ma make this ginger snap. Yo, Tim, you think you're a G. You're really just a rookie, though. Because when you take off that shirt, your body looks like cookie dough. Damn, it's messed up. You think you're the chocolate chip of the bunch. You think you're amazing. But when girls picked you in school, they treated you like oatmeal raisin. Wow. That's facts. I think he got that. All right, guys, hope you enjoy me making my little cookie face. Make sure you check out my show Send Foods on Thrillist.com or Thrillist YouTube page, and check out other dope shows on Thrillist like InstaChef. Bye.